melting already. Ah! Touch me.
Tutunaw na yung candle. Sige, magkanta na. Mag-blow na siya. Matunaw na yung candle niya. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
It's not your birthday.
Nasa po yung sinami. Naku, one more. Okay, one more.
Why not now?
Naku, binalik ko na. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?